So finally, here is the trick for Strassen'S multiplication. As you know, we will be considering two matrices, right? So if you want to say, like, if someone asks you where is 4, you say it as it is in first row and in first column, right? Similarly, we have to represent it in the form of alphabets. So if someone asks you where is 4, you say it as it is in first row and first column. Similarly, if someone asks you where is 3, you will say it as first row and second column. Similarly for this element, second row, first column, second row, second column, right? So if these two are the matrix that will be multiplying, let us give them the names. Now to remember all these formulas, you just have to write P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay, now let us understand how these things are written through the trick. Okay, before that, when we multiply this two matrix, we will get one more answer, right? That matrix we will represent it as C11, C12, C21 and C22. Now we will understand how these formulas are written. Very simple. The P, value of P can be found out by using the formula multiply, cross multiply, right? This you have to add this both A11 plus A22 and then multiplied with B11, B22. Okay, then write the word Bab, B-A-A-B, Bab. Okay, now however you have written it, right? Like name it as 1111, 2222. Now take all of this 4 and write it in straight line. B11 is here, and similarly A11 is also here, A22 is here, and B22 is also here. Now let us understand how to write these things. Okay, just write one matrix where you just represent this number values. Okay, and then you just give the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 in this Z or alternative pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you put arrows, like 2 arrows on this way, one upward and then one downward. Next what we have to do is, so 1, look at the 1 is going this way, means it is straight means plus, and it has what, A21 and A22. Okay, now come back, like I'll tell how to write this one. You have already written the Bab, right? Now this one you have to fill. You have already written B. Now let's think of A. Write A, and what is the one value? 21, A21 and plus A22. Come to next one. This is already written from Bab. How do you write this? Is look at the 2. Arrow is coming downwards, so B12 minus B22. Similarly, write for third one. Arrow is going upwards is also minus. Why is whenever you are writing it for B, it is minus. Okay, then coming to T, that is fourth value. It is like B is already written. We have to write it for A. A means always positive. B means always negative. Okay, fourth value is what now? B11 or A11 and A12. Then coming to the U and V, look at this now. B11, B12, write it here. B21, B22, write it here, and put addition. Only in the last case we will add plus. Remaining all, if B is there, minus. Now here we have already taken plus, means here it should be minus. How to write this one is, first write this one A21 and A12, just cross multiply, and later A12 and A22. That's all. Or how you can remember for the last one is, you will write these two values, right? A21, A11 and A12 and A22. Go it like this and come back like this. That's all. Now is the important trick for you. we have to find final answer values, right? This is when you cross multiply these two, you will get this answer. Now for each of the value, let's understand. So write this in the straight line format. How to remember this is, you already written, like you have already found the value for PQRSTUV, PlayStation minus TV. Okay, like if you get PlayStation, you don't watch TV. So when you're playing in the PlayStation, rat will enter your house, stealing your queens, like that. You have to remember this. But for C22, write the first letter P as it is. Then we have S, right? So look, what is opposite of S? It is R. Minus as it is. Then look at T. What is opposite of T? Q. Then V. What is opposite of V? There is nothing here. But which alphabet is left out? U. So you will write the U. This is how you remember the Strassen'S multiplication trick. Sorry if I could not explain you it in a better way, but once if you take the screenshot and go with the thing, you will understand it in a better way. All the very best.